I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Peter aka Styler and welcome to my zentech channel. If you're new then please subscribe and check out the rest of my videos. In this video I'm unboxing and having a first look at the Qeeke CR840, a cool mechanical gaming keyboard with built-in Stream Deck, speaker, sound card, sound and light effects, trackpad, numpad and much more. Qeeke reached out to me and offered me this keyboard so I could test an early version of it. That does also mean that some of the features that I'm going to show you in this video are still a bit limited, as Qeeke are still in the process of developing the software and finalize the features. But first things first, let's start with the full unboxing. So what I got here is the all black version with linear keys, but it is also available in white if you're more into that. On the front we see the Qeeke logo, which kind of looked like a small cat. So inside the box we first find the keyboard. Let's put this aside for now. Below we find some accessories, like some different audio jack cables in various colors. A USB-A to USB-C connection cable, which is the only connection you will need. A key cap puller, which is a tool to remove the keys. And some extra main keycaps in other colors. A tempered screen protector for the LCD display. And finally we here have the full Qeeke CR840 mechanical keyboard in all black. It looks awesome with the small Stream Deck, still it is just made completely in hard plastic. On the side we find some audio ports like headphone jack, microphone and so on. On the front a USB Type-C port which will power the keyboard but also the display. It's a mechanical keyboard so keystrokes can be heard quite clearly, but typing on it feels easy and good. Let's now remove the plastic foil from the display so you can have a better look. And up here we have some media control buttons. Overall an awesome looking gaming keyboard which is compact but still offers a lot of features. So now let's connect some power and let's see the startup. And here we have the small color LCD display, also known as Stream Deck. It seems to offer a lot of different cool features and works as a standalone unit. Let me just quick go through it so you can have a look. We find a nice calculator, which is always a good thing to have at hand. The touch is fast and precise, so no problems here. Next a numpad, which I personally also use a lot every day. Then a mouse trackpad. This one I will show you in detail later in the video. Control for the light in the keys, which I also will show later. And last, the built-in sound effects and sound deck. And this is just some info about the firmware and built-in software. The display is good when you sit in front of it, but the viewing angles from the sides could be better. But okay, on the other hand, no one else than you are probably going to look at it anyway. Next up, let's now change some of the keycaps, and let's have a closer look at the keys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
The keyboard offers a lot of different colorful lighting effects, which can be set up and controlled from the Stream Deck. You can set up all kinds of colors, from static to animations and fading lights. And there is even also a do-it-yourself mode where you can customize and set the colors of each single key.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
The colors and light are mainly seen around the keys when you are sitting in complete darkness. The inside of the keys do in fact also light up, but the light is weak. When using the audio jack ports, there are also small LED lights which will indicate the connections. The small built-in speaker works automatically through the USB-C cable. It in fact provides pretty loud sound and is fully usable. But real speakers will of course still provide you better sound. But it is a nice built-in feature of the keyboard.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
The built-in mouse trackpad does also work fine. It provides adjustable speed, both left and right click, and does also support 2-touch scrolling in Windows, so that's pretty cool. Overall, it's an interesting product with good potential. Although the software doesn't seem to be finished completely yet, and it doesn't offer any own shortcuts or software tools to add more, I really hope that Qeeke are going to provide some updates or tools for this in the future. Good support and development is important for a product like this to be a success. So that's it. Please remember to subscribe and like, and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Seeing you next time.